Short stories in English. Two women were chatting in a room. One asked, "How is everything going with your son?" "Oh, don't even mention it. What a huge misfortune," the woman sighed. "He is poor enough and married an extraordinary lazy daughter-in-law. She doesn't cook, doesn't clean the room, or even doesn't look after her own children, except to sleep all the time. It was my son who brings breakfast to her bed. How about your daughter?" "She might be lucky." The woman smiled. "She married a good husband who doesn't allow her to do any cooking, washing, cleaning, and looks after the children. What's more, he brings breakfast to my daughter every day." Facing the same situation, when we look from our own viewpoint, we will draw our personal conclusion. While standing at others' positions, we may have a different sense.